If you got something to say about the back of my head, that means you behind me where you should be. And honestly, while you back there, give my ass a kiss.
What's up, Anya Army? Welcome back to Home Base. I'm Anya Habita. And I'm back with another hair tutorial. This is one of my favorite hair tutorials that I've ever done on this channel. This was so quick, so easy, and so cheap. It was only $5. Only took me 20 minutes. And if you know how to braid, you know how to do this. I originally got this idea because I saw I saw Arnell post this on Instagram. I'll put the picture in here somewhere. And I was like, oh, that's cute. I was like, she looks so freaking bomb. And you know what? I could probably do that on myself. So here we are. I think they turned out really cute, really long. I used 60-inch hair and I did cut the ends so that they were even with each other. I really love how this came out. The edges are laid. She's giving what she's supposed to give. So if you want to see how I got these cutie braided ponytails, just keep watching. Don't forget though, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Join the Anya Army. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and meet me in the comments so we could discuss whether you're going to try this or trash it. Ooh, alright. Not the best angle, but we're going to try it. I'm only keeping this in probably a few days. So first I am gonna part my hair. I cannot find my rat tail comb, so it's gonna be rough. It's gonna be rough, girl. But shoot, okay, we will find the middle of your head, just you know where your nose is. Is not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I know the back is gonna be looking like a travesty, but honestly, I really don't care. If you got something to say about the back of my head, that means you behind me where you should be. And honestly, while you back there, give my ass a kiss. Cause honey, I bet your hair ain't even trying. Ain't even attempting nothing cute, but wanna talk shit. Okay. Don't care what a bitch said behind my back, cause you know better than to let me hear her. You know what I mean? Oh, I could tell this is not straight. Lord. Oh, happy Pride Month, because my part ain't nowhere near straight, is it, huh? Alright, because I didn't want my hair to be looking cray-cray. I got a mirror. It's not as bad as I thought. So, at least there's that. Positive thinking. Positive thinking. Okay? Will get you very far. So, I'm just going to put them in some, like, mocktails. Completely reinventing what it means to have a mocktail. But not like my official ponies, but just so I can kind of see clearer what my part is given. Okay, I did it. It's not perfect, but I'm gonna work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it, okay? Alright, I'm gonna go in my hot comb. My hair is already straight, but as you can see, it's starting to poof up a little bit. But I'm just gonna make sure this part is real flat. I'm going in with this hard brush. I'm just gonna smooth that right on me. I'm not using gel or anything because my hair is
like fully greased. I'm gonna be using Gotcha Bee spray, but that's like the only holding product that I will be using. Alright, and I'm just gonna use regular hair ties. I meant to get rubber bands from the beauty supply store, but genuinely I forgot. So, normal headbands it is, and then I'm just gonna put my hair up in a pigtail. Try to push it forward a little bit because I want them to sit on the side but kind of high up. Just gonna pull as tight as I can. So cute right there. Tight as possible. Okay. So I'm gonna do the other side. You see how this is kind of puffy and this is flat like this. I got this hair, it's pre-stretched, 60 inches. It comes with 3 bundles. I think I'm just gonna use 2 bundles, like 1 bundle each pigtail. This hair is terrible to reblade. I'm using the rubber band that came off the bundle. I'm just gonna make it even with the other side. This hair, I'm so disappointed. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut it because I can barely even freaking wrap this. Helped a lot. I'm gonna dunk these in boiling water. Yes, this is the big one. I don't want to hear it, okay? Listen. This is the straightener I have. So this is the straightener my edges is gonna get, okay? And they're gonna like it. And they're gonna straighten up and flop right. Did your mom ever used to say that to you? You better straighten up and flop right. Man. Oof. Real quick. Because I got all this grease on here. What's burning is the grease. I don't leave it on there long enough. For my actual hair burn. I just hit it with the flat iron because like I'm not trying to like actually, the only thing that I actually curl are these little bits on the outside.
And I like to leave them, you know, swizzled. I like to have them swizzled. Oh, my vagina. Girl, it's Shark Week and I'm about to rip this uterus out of me, okay? Who has time for this? Like, you mean to tell me I have to deal with this for the next 30 years? 30 years? Like, who set this up? Who can I talk to? Man, ain't nobody come to see you, Otis.